Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode on YouTube. Thank you for joining me again. Today I'm gonna keep it really simple. These flowers that I picked out for you guys are just yumminess, right? We've got allium flowers. We've got Vanda orchids. These are like a brownish purple. We've got callies, anthuriums, and delphiniums. And I know the delphiniums are a little on the purple side. And I broke the stem. These are heavy, okay. I can always use this for something. And I'll show you how to, even when something breaks like this, how to use it and don't throw it away. And then I might use these, I might not use these. They're Milky Way Aspidaria leaves, if I'm not making a mistake. What I've done is I filled the containers. These are a bunch of cool ceramics that are in different heights. I think there's like, this is like a set of two like this, and then I added the other one just to make it a little bit more fuller and nicer. What I'm gonna do is take my first flower, and I'm doing one in each. That's the allium. This is really cool. These onion flowers are hideous as far as the smell. What I suggest you do is take a mouthwash and mix the mouthwash 1 in 1. So 1 part water, 1 part mouthwash, and put it in a spray bottle like this with the mouthwash and spritz it on like so. I haven't said that word in a long time, or that saying in a very long time. This way it's done. Then I take my delphiniums, and we've got some, since this one's really tall, I have to clean this. And all I'm going to do is just do one stem. See that? These florets are amazing. Look at this. This side, inside, it's like purple, and the outside lip is a bluish color, like a midnight blue. It's almost like a water paint. Look at that. Look at this. So crazy. What nature gives us, right? So many beautiful things. And these are obviously commercially grown flowers, but I'm sure there's farms that are just organically growing so many varieties and beauties out there. And remember, this one's broken? Look at what we're gonna do. You take it like this, clean this off. Take this, insert it like this, and then look at this florets. It's right here. These are on the stem. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I don't know if I can do anything with this necessarily, this project. Maybe I can think of something else on the next project. But look at this. This would be a gorgeous. Even you can take little bowls, right? If you don't want to do anything and you're less complicated, you can take little bowls, put water halfway in, and then just float these without the stems. This would be really gorgeous to do. Can you go find me some little bubble bowls and stuff like that? Maybe we can look at them. We can do this while we're shooting it as well. Cleaning this out a little bit so I don't have any dirt left over. Then I'm going to take my last one, and see, this is not broken, but I'm treating it like it's broken. And I'm going to insert it in this one. See that? It's cool, huh? And we have one more left. Where do you think I should put it? I know where I should put it. There we go. And then I only have 2 stems of orchids. So I'm going to do one on this one, like this, and then the other one like this. See that? And that's okay. See? Look at how cool this is turning out. Then I'm gonna take my calla lilies and I'm going to do like 3, 2 on each one. You guys, if you have not subscribed and it's the first time you're watching these videos, please go and subscribe. Share these videos, make some comments, go on the community part of the YouTube, and also on the eye, right on your right hand or your left hand, I would say. Right here would be your right hand, right? So if you're viewing it, be on the right hand side or the left hand side? Do you remember? You don't remember. You don't remember. There we go. And we only have 3 anthuriums, and this color is just so luscious. So I'm just gonna do it one in here, one in here, because we need that color. And then I'm gonna do one over here. Gorgeous, right? So I do have the little bubble. Oh, let's do these, the clear ones, the clear ones, the clear ones, the clear ones. So these are the little votives. But you know what you can do? Here, this is perfect. You know what would be nice too? Here, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take the flowers and stuff them in there. Do we have actual votives that you could? I think we have some right here, no? Look at how cool this is coming out. So these are containers that have a little candle holding space. And of course, you gotta get rid of all the stems. You just need the petals or the bloom. See how cool that is? You know, it's just like simple things, right? Instead of throwing these away, then you can put the candle in like this. And if you guys can get me the lighter, look how cool this is. So cool. Like, it just added another cool. The lighter would be great. And this actually just pulls in another interesting element on the tablescape and setting. I'm just gonna fill this. I like the blue and the purple showing together. Look at that. This right here, put this right here. And again, I am not throwing these out. I'll figure out a way to use them somehow. So let me clean up, let me finish up the table, let me style it the way I want, and then I'll come back, okay? I'll see you soon. So I'm back, and I've styled this. As you can see, I took those little bubbleable candle holders and filled it up with those delphinium blooms. I couldn't resist throwing these beautiful, like, loose blooms that were like the bottoms of the delphiniums as I was processing it to cut and using the arrangement. And I thought, instead of throwing it away, look at how beautifully this style is. It adds that color back down to the table. You've got your dark plum colored calla lilies, you've got the anthuriums, you've got the vanda orchids, you've got the allium, and you've got the delphinium. Just maybe 4 or 5 different flowers. I should say 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different flowers, simple vases, and it looks amazing for me. I hope this inspired you one more time in me creating these videos. I appreciate all your comments. I appreciate the follows. I even appreciate the negative comments that you guys make. But I would love for you guys to, you know, get up on camera, spend so much of this energy, not only creatively, but what to say and what to do. They're completely exhausting, but because I have so much passion in what I do, I enjoy making these videos for you. And without you guys, I can't do them. I appreciate you guys, I love you guys, and peace out.